How to add video inside text in Davinci Resolve. So hi guys, the first thing that we are going to do is to simply open our Davinci Resolve application in our desktop. So what I have right here is my Davinci Resolve 18.5, and I already have an untitled project right here. I'm just going to continue right that. So here I have uploaded a video and I'm going to make use of this video. What I'm going to do is to simply drag it and place it in video number 3. So once everything's settled here, I'm going to simply resize the video accordingly and make it fit. Alright, so let me resize the video real quick first. Okay, after done resizing, what we are going to do next is to simply go to the lower left hand corner and go to your toolbox, click on title and add a basic title. So I'm just gonna simply drag it here and place it in video number 2. Make sure that the title is below the video itself. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to the upper right hand corner and go to the title section. So I'm going to add a title and let me disable the video track real quick right here first. Okay, I'm gonna disable the video track of video number 3 or the video. And then here we can actually see our text alone. Now let's choose a font style or font family. So right here I chose this font style and let me resize it accordingly. Alright, now once done resizing, let's enable the video. Once you've enabled the video, go to the upper left hand corner or right hand corner rather and go to the composite section. Click on it and simply choose on darken. And there you have it. You have successfully added the video inside the text. That's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful.